George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scaring.
Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. He's only little.